We're here at the Marshall Wells building in the Pearl District of Portland. This building was built in 1910 and it's on the National Historic Registry. Want to go inside and check it out? Let's go, come on. Hi, welcome in, come on, let me show you around. As you see, we've got a huge open space in this room. Plenty of dining space, we've got office space. Take a look at these beams in the ceiling. This is all original to this building. It was built in 1910 and you've got this gorgeous industrial look with this beautiful hardwoods and air conditioning, which is always a plus because as you know, there's not a lot of these old buildings with air conditioning. One of the really nice features of this unit is that you've got a very quiet courtyard view. So enjoy. Give me a call, text, and I'll give you some more information. Thanks.